The secret to doing anything is believing you can do it. Anything you believe you can do strong enough, you can do. Anything, as long as you believe. This here is one of many of Bob Ross's wonderful quotes. So the cake that we're making here today is inspired by famous painter and instructor Bob Ross. Welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. I'm Michelle, and let's get started right away and sweeten this world. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here is just line out my cupcakes. Now the great thing about this cake is you can have as many cupcakes as you want. You could have 5 cupcakes, 10 cupcakes, 20 cupcakes. Maybe you're going to feed a huge crowd and have 100 or 200 cupcakes. Add a nice little bit of frosting to the cake. Bob Ross says, you too can paint almighty pictures. So since I'm here at a cake decorating channel, I'm going to change that quote a little bit to, you too can frost almighty cakes. Now the trick to making this cake here is just to add different layers. And so I'm going to add a layer in the background here for the mountains far off in the back, and then a little bit closer and a little bit closer. This cake decorating technique can be used on so many different canvases, cakes. You can use it like I am here on a cupcake cake, or you can use it on just a regular cake, maybe an 8-inch or 9-inch round cake, or a sheet cake. A sheet pan even works as well. I have even done this technique on a wedding cake, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. So thank you, Bob Ross, for your inspiration and the confidence in this painting. Cake. Talent is a pursued interest. Anything you're willing to practice, you can do. And that, my friend, includes baking and cake decorating. What's the difference between my skills and your skills? Well, maybe I've just practiced a little more than you, right? We don't make accidents. We just have happy accidents. And that's so true with this cake, right? No pressure. Just relax and watch it happen. It is so important to do something every day that will make you happy. So comment down below and tell me, what is the important thing that you need to do every day to keep you happy? Painting and cake decorating will bring a lot of good thoughts to your heart. So think about who is going to be eating your cake, whatever it may be. And don't forget to tell these special people in your life just how special they are to you. Oh, Bob, you're so sweet. Talk to the tree. Make friends with it. You can do anything you want in this world. Now, painting is very similar to cake decorating in that if you do too much, it's going to lose its effectiveness. So a lot of times on cakes, especially one with this design, don't overdo it. Just make it simple and nice. This here is a happy place. Little squirrels live here and play. It's definitely a happy place. As Bob Ross says, you can do anything you want to. This is your world. So go out there, have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, go sweeten the world. Bye-bye.